Welcome to the Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit, rotate, and save a video using VLC Media Player, step by step. If you're interested in more tech tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Step 1. First, open VLC Media Player and load the video you want to rotate. If you can't open the video directly, just click on the Media tab at the top, then select Open File from the drop-down. After that, navigate to the File Explorer, find your video, and open it. Step 2. Next, go to the Tools menu at the top and click on Effects and Filters. This is where we'll make the adjustments to the video. Step 3. In the Adjustments and Effects window that pops up, click on the Video Effects tab and then go to the Geometry tab, which is where the rotation settings are located. Step 4. To rotate the video, check the Transform box. Here you can choose from preset rotations like 90, 180, or 270 degrees. If you want more control over the rotation, you can check the Rotate box and manually select the angle you want. Step 5. After you've adjusted the rotation to your liking, simply close the Adjustments and Effects window to apply the changes. Step 6. Now to save your rotated video, go back to the Media tab at the top and click on Convert Save. This will open up a new window where you can finalize the process. Step 7. In this window, make sure your video is added to the list, then click Convert Save again. Step 8. In the next window, ensure Convert is selected in the settings. You can also choose the output format if you need to, depending on how you want to save the file. Finally, pick a destination folder where you'd like the rotated video to be saved. Once that's done, click Start to begin the conversion and save your newly rotated video. And that's it! Thanks for watching.